When it comes time to start preparing your potatoes for the potato latkes, there are a couple of different ways in which you can go. Of course, you have to take care of the potato skin. This can be done in one of two ways, either washing it really well or by peeling it. Now, if you're going to peel it, you're still going to have to wash the potato. You want to make sure to get all the dirt off. I like to use a brand new scrubbing sponge if you don't happen to have a vegetable brush nearby. And you're just going to want to scrub it. Now, depending on your potatoes, they can be dirtier or cleaner. I try and use organic potatoes. They're just healthier for you and for the environment. And the bonus, they tend to be washed. So while you're still going to have to scrub it, you're not going to get caked on dirt like you would with some other potatoes. Not always, but frequently. Now, if you're going to peel it, that's probably good enough for washing. And then you're just going to start taking off the peel. You don't have to be exact about it. If you leave some spots behind, that's fine. You do want to get out any eyes. Just cut those out, probably with the end of your potato peeler. But the big thing is, it's a personal choice. If you leave on the skin, make sure you scrub it really hard. You don't want to have any bits of grit or dirt behind. If you peel it, you don't have to wash it quite as much. You still have to wash it, and then you still have to peel it. For me, it depends on how much time I have when making them. For tonight's purposes, I'm going to leave most of them peeled and show you what to do from there.